This is a video of how I make legend brace doors. That you can see there is a style. It's an old sample that I've had for years. I kept it to remind me the order you do the cuts. Cut 1, as you can see, cut 2, and then cut 3. Cut 1 and 2 go on the styles, and then number 3, that just goes on the rails. Yeah, here I'm just moving the fence on the table saw for the depth of the cladding that's going to go in, which is 14 mil. So I'll probably do the rebate 15 mil, 14 and 15 mil. Once you set that, you can't move that fence in. That's got to stay there throughout the process of cutting all the rails and stiles. I'm just setting the height for the blade. The width for the cut, I think I've probably done this probably 25 mil. But you can go down as low as 15 mil, maybe even 10 mil. Yeah, I'm just creeping up with the blade. You don't want to overcut it, so you just you aim for going low, and then you just run a cut, and then you just creep up to these. So that's the bit coming out. That's the off cut. You have to run all them through. This video is probably going to be in about 6 parts because they seem to go on a bit, but I'm trying to show the process, but keeping it as short as possible. Yeah, this is a pair of barn doors, so there'll be 4 stiles and 2 rails. You only have the rails at the top, and you only have cut 3 on the rails. You don't have them on the stiles. Yeah, now I'm cutting the rails for the 3rd cut, which is just a rebate that just goes into the stile. You'll see it in a minute. What you do with this is you keep the fence in the same place, but you just raise the blade up so it just touches the rebate. I could do this with a dado, but as there's only 2 rails that need this, so there's 4 ends basically, it'd probably take longer to put a dado stack blade on. So I'm just doing it with the normal 3mm blade. There is other ways you can cut that, but this is quite a simple way. It's accurate. As long as you don't move that fence, it'll be pretty perfect when it goes together. There you can see what's left. See, that sits into the rebate of the stile now. I'm probably going to dry run that now. Yeah, I'm going to test that just in case the blade needs lifting up a bit. Always err on the low side. You can always lift it up and run it through again if you ain't cut out enough. As you can see how that locks together. Once you cut your mortises into that, glue it and clamp it. That's a good strong joint. Right, that's the end of part 1 of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll try and do part 2.